How does the constitutional right to protest work? In recent weeks, the right to protest has been a hot topic across the nation. With numerous demonstrations taking place, many are asking how this constitutional right operates. Understanding the legal framework surrounding protests is essential for anyone looking to participate or observe. The constitutional right to protest in the United States is primarily protected under the First Amendment. This amendment guarantees freedoms of speech, assembly, and petition. It allows individuals to publicly express their opinions, including dissent against government policies. Peaceful protests are a fundamental aspect of democracy, enabling citizens to voice their concerns and seek changes from authorities. While the right to protest is protected, it is not absolute. Certain restrictions may be imposed to maintain public order. For example, cities may require permits for large gatherings or limit protests in sensitive locations. However, these restrictions must be content-neutral and narrowly tailored to avoid infringing on free speech rights. Legal challenges often arise when government actions interfere with peaceful protests. Recently, federal agents have faced lawsuits for using excessive force or detaining protesters without due process. Courts have sometimes stepped in to limit law enforcement tactics that suppress lawful protests. This includes banning the use of tear gas or requiring officers to identify themselves during demonstrations to ensure accountability. However, protesters must also be aware that actions crossing legal boundaries can lead to charges. Common charges include disorderly conduct, obstruction, trespassing on private property, and resisting arrest. If violence or property damage occurs, charges can escalate to riot-related offenses. Laws vary by state, but generally, nonviolent protest is protected, while illegal acts during protests can result in arrest and prosecution. In recent developments, government measures restricting protest rights have raised concerns. Deploying National Guard forces or increasing police presence in protest areas has sparked debates about the erosion of constitutional protections. As these events unfold, it is vital for citizens to remain informed about their rights and the limits imposed by law enforcement. In summary, the constitutional right to protest allows individuals to peacefully assemble and express their views. However, it comes with responsibilities and legal boundaries designed to balance individual freedoms with public safety. Understanding these rights is essential for anyone looking to engage in the democratic process.